You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The pronunciation in English. For more medical terms, make sure to stay tuned. The name of this condition from medicine in English: Genu Varum. Genu Varum. Now, some may say it as Varum or Varum from Latin, so it'd be also kind of correct, but in English it's generally said as Genu Varum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.